Managing your sales pipeline effectively can transform your business. And in this quick Apollo.io guide, you're going to learn how to do just that. Whether you're a newbie to sales automation or just looking to optimize your process, Apollo.io is a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Stick around because I'll walk you through how to get the most out of it. Plus, I've got an exclusive bonus to help you get started. First off, Apollo.io is a sales intelligence platform designed to help you manage leads, track outreach, and streamline your sales pipeline from start to finish. It's not just another CRM. Apollo.io lets you search a database of millions of contacts and companies so you can find exactly who you need to reach and build targeted lists with ease. You can quickly organize your pipeline, view key data at a glance, and keep all your communication in one place. The platform's sales pipeline management feature is a game changer. You can easily create custom stages to reflect your sales process, whether you're nurturing a lead, negotiating, or closing a deal. As you move leads through your pipeline, you get a clear, real-time view of where everything stands. And the best part? Apollo.io automates many aspects of that pipeline management, so you can focus on more strategic tasks. Now, let's talk about the data. One of Apollo.io's standout features is its robust analytics. With its dashboard, you get deep insights into your sales performance. You can track how many leads you're reaching, how many emails are being opened, and which sales reps are closing the most deals. This data not only helps you improve your current sales strategies, but also enables you to make better decisions moving forward. The platform also integrates seamlessly with your other tools like email, LinkedIn, and even your calendar, so you can streamline all of your workflows. You can automate outreach, set reminders, and keep track of meetings without ever leaving Apollo.io. It saves you time while keeping you organized, which is essential in a fast-paced sales environment. But here's where it gets really powerful: the ability to build highly targeted campaigns. Apollo.io allows you to segment your contacts based on multiple criteria, so you can create laser-focused outreach sequences. You can personalize emails, track their engagement, and follow up automatically, all without ever missing a beat. This is how you move deals through your sales pipeline effectively. If you're someone who's new to sales automation, Apollo.io's user interface is intuitive, so you won't feel overwhelmed. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. It's designed to be user-friendly and guide you every step of the way. Plus, there's plenty of training material and support available to help you maximize your results. And here's a little something special. If you're interested in trying Apollo.io, I've got an exclusive bonus for you. You can sign up for Apollo.io today using the first link in the description below and get access to a free trial with additional perks, helping you get started without any pressure. So, as we wrap up, managing your sales pipeline with Apollo.io isn't just about using a tool, it's about having the right data at your fingertips, automating the manual tasks, and optimizing your sales strategy for better results. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your sales game to the next level, Apollo.io has the features and support you need. Make sure to grab your exclusive bonus in the link below and take advantage of the free trial to see exactly how Apollo.io can improve your sales process.